My name is Jennifer Ward from Mombasa, Coastal Region team. I'm a field officer in GVS Research Company. I'm glad to be here as a field officer. So the reason I love GVS, first of all, the trainings are very educative. People learn a lot. When you come to the trainings, you learn a lot. And then it helps us interact with different people from different regions, from different counties in Kenya, and you learn different opinions from different individuals as their own. The second thing that I love about GVS is they allow individual growth. In that, you might come in as a new member in the team, but by the time you're doing different projects on different topics, you learn a lot and you grow as an individual, being that you are given the platform to grow. The third thing that I like about GVS is they treat every individual with dignity and respect, irrespective of your position in their team. Be it that you're a field officer or you're a regional coordinator or you're a supervisor, you are treated equally, regardless of your position. Third, most of the topics they do research about are health-related topics, whereby that is a key issue in the society. They get to know what is needed in the society health-wise, what is lacking in the society, and what should be done in areas where there are some challenges in the society.